Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here and I'm back to do a pre-order update at CSR Collectibles. Now folks, what do we got here y'all? What do we got here? Yep, all the steps you have to know, videos in the link. Do my eyes deceive me? Do my eyes deceive me? It is Glenn Ennis's private signing autograph, the Jason Stunt double. Now, if you already heard me talk about Douglas Tate, he played Jason at the end of Freddy Vs. Jason. Glenn Ennis, a well-known American stuntman who worked in other films, did stunt double other actors in certain scenes. Very good stuntman in the career. It's a shame he never did any stunts for the MCU, you know. They could have been great. Well, anyways, let's get to the point. Let's get to the chit-chat. So you got until August 4 until... Okay, I don't know what is going on here. I'm going to need to, refresh this page. I can't believe what I'm seeing. The date, the hour, the minute, the date, the hours, and the minutes, and including the date are, counting all together. That's supposed to be the seconds. What the hell? Ignore that, folks. So anyway, so you have until August 4 until noon to do pre-orders. So if you want him to sign any of your items, you're going to have to do conjustment. But I'm not doing that. I'm pre-ordering. With that, let's see what they got. And let's check out how many are there. So if you're familiar with the scene in the fire, this is the cornfield scene where after he turns that dude's head backwards, pushes and tips him to the ground, and then another one revolves, and then the other dude throws alcohol at him, and the next thing what he does is he throws alcohol at him, and the next thing he torches him, putting a flame on him, and says burn, and then takes out his machete there, and then takes out his machete, chases him down, and then he's in the party, and then he's on fire, and then gets sprayed with something else, and then the fire is gone, a little bit burn here and there. And so yeah, so that's what you're going to be seeing. But also he played Jason in the dream sequence where Jason is in a red world, like a industrial place, and he's fighting Jason while the Jason in the real world is asleep because of the tranquilizers that was injected into him. So yeah, so let's see what we got here, folks. For the 8x10s, how much is for the 8x10s? Hold on, folks. Here we go, 8x10s. $40 for 8x10s. These three for the scenes in the movie. Okay, next up what we got, 11x14, which is the poster. The quad poster. Even a killer has something to fear. So yeah. Oh, it's a cool poster, by the way. So that's 11x14. It'll cost you about 45 bucks. Okie dokie. For the 12x18 is going to cost you about $60. And last but not least, the one size, it'll cost you about $90. Too bad there's no Funko Pop. Huh. So for the hockey mask, you're going to have to pay about $90. If you already know what color marker would you like, I'm going to send you the video's already there in the description, so you can choose whatever marker you like. Hold on, folks. I don't know what's going on here. What the hell. So anyways, the link is going to be in the description box down below, and check it out. This is all you're going to get. So yeah, folks, that's all you're going to be getting for this. And this is going to be the last one, the last Jason. Too bad they don't do focus on the fan film ones, you know. Oh well, it is what it is. So yeah, look at it carefully, folks. Oh, rad. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark. So before signing off, shout outs to CSR Collectibles, and let's give a shout outs to the collectors out there. Also, I'm in the YouTube community, and I often post what time I post videos and such, and leave links right before pre-orders happen. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparking. So anyways, subscribe to my if you like videos and content like this, follow me in the link in the description box down below to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos and also share the vids, as well as any opinions, comments down below. To any of you horror cats and dogs and spooky kitty cats and dogs out there. So yeah, links are going to be in the description box down below. Check them out as well, whichever you're interested. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. And enjoy Friday, and enjoy the weekend, and enjoy the last day of June. Signing off, y'all. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all.